Meanwhile, some breaking inputs are just coming in where ahead of the elections in Myanmar, India's Army Chief M.M. Naravane is expected to visit Myanmar by as early as next week. Now, India's Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla will also be accompanying the Army Chief. Myanmar will be going through its parliamentary elections on the 8th of November. And to give us more information on this, we're joined in by Vyont Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us on this broadcast. Good afternoon to you, Siddhant. What is the latest? Why is the Army Chief travelling to Myanmar?
Well, it's a big development. It's a development that shows the focus here in Delhi is strengthening of relationship with its neighbors, including with Myanmar. Both the Army Chief and India's Foreign Secretary will be in the country on Monday. And this was a visit that was long pending. It was getting delayed because of several reasons, including the Chinese build-up at the line of actual control. But if I can give you a context, this is the second visit of the Indian Foreign Secretary to any country amidst the COVID pandemic. He has already been to Bangladesh, but it's the first visit by the Indian Army Chief outside the country amidst not only the COVID pandemic, but of course the build-up by the Chinese, what is happening at the line of actual control, and of course after the Galwan incident. But by and large, this visit coming ahead of the elections in Myanmar and of course the Chinese influence. This is something that not only India but other countries, other like-minded democratic countries are focusing on, making sure that the Chinese influence is reduced. So that is why this visit is important, and on the agenda will not only be strengthening of relationship but also meeting the political hierarchy of the country. Interestingly, the Indian Army Chief has served in Myanmar as India's defense attaché at the Indian mission in Myanmar, so he has an understanding of the region. And just last week, we know the Foreign Secretary, the Indian Foreign Secretary, had a video conference with his Myanmarese counterpart, in which the key outcome was that India-built Situate port will come into operation from next year, from January to March period, the first quarter of next year.
All right, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you very much indeed, Siddhant Sibal, for joining us and getting us all those insights. So the Indian Army Chief General M.M. Naravane will be travelling to Myanmar.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.